Make NetworkManager prefer Ethernet over Wi-Fi if both present. A similar question was asked for Windows. Automatically prefer Ethernet over LAN, but I'm on Linux and am using NetworkManager. Right now, if the Ethernet cable is plugged in and is available while Wi-Fi connections are also available, NetworkManager chooses the Wi-Fi connection. How can I tell it to always choose the wired connection if available? I'm on Fedora 17 using NetworkManager 0.9.4.0-9. Get 20120521.
Just a couple things. You could try these commands in your environment to see if they work and bring desired results. Auto Ethernet. Auto Fs, replace X with whatever number your kernel assigns, run ifconfig to check. Alternatively, you can have a look at your IP routes found by issuing. By looking at the output, see if LAN 0 is on all routes. Several other questions have been asked with this, and the only way to get Linux to favor an interface, by default it is F0, but in your case, something went awry, is to manipulate the metrics. You can configure the metric for an interface using ifmetric, which manipulates the metric on an interface you specify. I haven't tested this on Fedora per se, but I can see it is in the repositories. So, issue. Then when it is installed, you will want to go to Use 6, Nano, Emacs, whatever editor you use, and then add underneath whichever interface you want to configure, in this case F0. X relates to a number determining the priority. 0 by default is the highest priority, but to avoid hitting static default routes, use something above 2, then you will want to add a higher number to LAN 0. So, and under LAN 0. Your file should be looking like this. Let us know if it helps. Edit, just come across a few links. How do I configure a Linux machine to ignore Wi-Fi when connected via LAN? How do I set the priority of network connections in Ubuntu? Edit 2. There is also a metric field in NetworkManager GUI.
Note at proxy user's answer served me as the basis for my answer. You can accomplish this using CLI command line interface of NetworkManager. No need to install ifmetric. All you need to do is set the IPv4.root metric option of each required network to some positive integer. Default is -1. The lower the number, the higher the priority. After that, you need to reconnect to all changed/required networks. Simple app is enough, no need to turn them down fast. You can also set IPv6.root metric for each network.
NetworkManager has a GUI front-end named NetworkManager Connection Editor, or NM Connection Editor, where priorities can be set for individual connections. 0, highest priority, and so on.